48-inch ETL NSF certified bakery display case. First off, the overall dimensions. Length, we have 47 3/4 inches. Depth, 27 inches. And height with caster wheels, 47.5 inches. Coming towards the back here, your standard 110 and 120 outlet connection, power switch, and analog controller for temperature control settings. Back here is a sticker with the ETL certification along with the schematics. Dual slide doors. Interior dimensions. For the depth, we have 23 inches. Length, we have 45 inches. And the height, to the top of the door track, we have 23 inches. Adjustable 2-level shelves, glass shelves. And the measurements for each shelf will be 14 3/4 inches in depth, and the length is 43 1/4 inches. That's per glass shelf. Our 48-inch ETL NSF certified bakery display case. For any other questions, give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.